Hello friends, good day to all of you and a warm welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I'm going to do unboxing video. We are not doing any recipe, but unboxing of this beautiful tray that I had bought some time back. It's a stainless steel hammer tray, but I bought it few months ago, but after that I traveled, so I could not do the unboxing. So let's do it today. Amazon keeps having lot of offers all the time, and whenever I see something nice, I really pick it up. Such a beautiful tray, all-purpose, very handy tray. It's hammered stainless steel and quite big to serve. When you have guests, you can serve snacks, you can serve tea in this, or when you are having a party, you can put a jug of water and serving glasses here. The best part is the bottom of the tray is coated with felt, so it is scratch proof. You can easily keep it on any surface, on a glass table. Lovely, isn't it? Isn't it so beautiful? And I got it at a discounted price. The original price was 2000 something and it was 51% off. I paid 999 for this. It's really very nice, very heavy and nice. So friends, I will share the link with all of you. You can check it out. Even it's available now, but I do not know the price because this one was bought before I traveled to US. So now you can check out the price. It's still worth it. Even if you get it for 1200 or so, it's still worth it. I love it. I'm sure you are going to like it too.